Foliotek Presentation, managing your ePortfolios. You begin to do that by using the icon in the top black bar for ePortfolio management, or by navigating to the right side of the screen and picking one of the options there. You can either use the icon, which allows you to manage your ePortfolios, or the circle with the number 3 indicating you have 3 ePortfolios affiliated with your account. Diving into the ePortfolio management screen, we see the 3 ePortfolios that have been created. And there are also a variety of indicators on the screen giving feedback to data associated with that ePortfolio. The first shows how many projects are inside of that ePortfolio. The second circle indicates how many communities that ePortfolio has been shared with. You can click the rename link next to the ePortfolio title to change the name, and we can also see the date that ePortfolio was created. The ePortfolio Actions menu, clicking on it expands and allows you to have further actions, like delete this ePortfolio, export it, duplicate that ePortfolio, or if you're a moderator, you can convert that ePortfolio to a content template. Clicking on the pencil icon allows you to edit the ePortfolio, and the icon to the right of that opens up in a new tab, letting you preview what that ePortfolio looks like. Additionally, we have some actions in the bottom of that ePortfolio container. Sharing privately, sharing in communities, which is also indicated by the circle, sharing publicly, and converting this portfolio to a collaborative portfolio. If you click the Share Privately button, you can indicate who you'd like to share this with and give it a begin and an end date and type in a message to whom you're sharing. Back on the ePortfolio management screen, you can, of course, share in community, which we've covered in a subsequent video, or share publicly. Clicking the Share Publicly button allows you to come up with a custom URL that can be used to view this ePortfolio publicly on the internet. Once that is done, you can share in any number of social networks that you wish. You can always tell whether this is shared publicly or not by the highlighting of the orange and also the link that appears underneath the date created. You can invite contributors to this ePortfolio by making it a collaborative ePortfolio, putting the name of the contributor, their email address, and a personal message to them, inviting them to be a contributor. As you can see, there are different circles under each ePortfolio indicating the status of how that's been shared or the projects that are affiliated with it. You can also, in this case, join a community by putting in the join code and clicking the join icon, or just choosing a community you want to share with, and that shares this new ePortfolio with that particular community. This ends the ePortfolio management screen video.